You clicked for the Coach. This is the 2027 Palladium 1930. I'm Steve, and we're going to walk all 19 feet, 7 inches of this adventure van that is just as much fun to live in as it is to drive. So sit back and let's check out all those hot features.
You all ready for some hot features?
As you look around, you may be thinking something looks different this year. It is. So for 2027, the first thing we did was we changed all of the lighting. We have these nice LED strips underneath, really residential, almost like your recessed lighting in your kitchen or your basement, and we've changed the color. So if you're into that type of, what color is this bulb? This is going to be 4,000 degrees Kelvin. It just gives it that nice, cooler look. It's very warm, it's very homey, and it ties in so nice with the brand new decor for 2027. This is called the Amberwood collection. You have these two-tone flat panel cabinets. They look great. The well-formed walls, a nice lighter color, almost like an off-white eggshell. And what's nice about this well-formed, it is soft touch, same as the ceiling here. But behind this, we have some insulation, and the way that this is mounted is it is insulated, so that has benefits for you going down the road. One, it's going to keep your temperature more consistent. It's also going to be a quieter ride for the passengers riding back here because you have seatbelts for 4, passenger and driver seat, obviously seatbelts, and you're going to have a seatbelt over here and a seatbelt over here. Sleeping for 2. We'll talk about the bed configuration in just a minute. But adding to the insulation outside of the well-formed walls, underneath your flooring, a one-piece composite subfloor. So that's going to take and drown out a lot of that road noise, and again with the insulation. And when you fire up that 11,000 BTU AC, it's going to keep the inside of your 1930 nice and comfortable. On a day like today where it is really sunny, probably going to want to take and pull the cassette shades all the way around, keep the harsh rays out, keep the inside of your van nice and cool. Or maybe it's just a nice spring or fall day. All you have to do to get a nice breeze, slide open the windows. If you want the screen, you just move that as well. And now you're getting a nice breeze all the way through your van. You have a window you can open here, a window in the sliding door, and a window you can open in the kitchen. And when we get ready to go out, we'll talk about maximum ventilation when you are outside living it up. But there are times when you're going to want to live it up inside your van. After all, this is your home base, no matter where you happen to go, because this is a very capable van. We'll get into a lot of that. Want to talk about our setup. So if you are here for the ride, or maybe this is just sofa mode, this is what we're going to call it. You have a lagoon table you can mount in 2 places. You can mount it right down here, and there is a mount right up front. Now, the beauty of the mount right up here up front is when you swivel that passenger seat around, and yes, both seats swivel, but when you swivel the passenger seat around, the table lines up right there, so you can actually get some work done. You can use it as another area if you want to get work done, or just maybe you're out on this amazing excursion and you want to get all those photos up on the gram or whatever social media type you use. WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. Turn your 1930 into a hotspot, get some work done, post to the socials, whatever you want to do. That's the beauty of Lagoon Table. And you can see right now we have it stored completely away. It tucks right behind the driver's seat and the kitchen, so it is out of the way when you need it to be out of the way when you are sleeping. Yes, so sleeping in here for 2. You can use the twin bed configuration. Just take and you're going to store these cushions away, give you a few more inches. Now you have your twin beds. You want a full wall-to-wall bed, you got it. So underneath you have this, you just slide this over, and then this will latch onto here, and then you take and you slide your cushions here, and now you have a full wall-to-wall bed. One thing I want to point out as we are over on this side now, underneath here, you have access to a number of different items that you are going to want to know everything there is to know about. Under this bay right here, we have two 100 amp hour lithium batteries. So this is going to be standard on your 1930, 200 amp hours of lithium battery. You're going to have a 40 amp DC to DC charger, so that is going to help keep those batteries charged. And you have a 1000 watt inverter. You also have a 2800 watt gas generator. If you would like all lithium, you can option that in with the reliable power pack. That jumps that to 400 amp hours of lithium batteries. You have a 3000 watt pure sine inverter, a 275 amp under the hood Arco alternator that you can use to monitor the charging. It's a fantastic setup. It Bluetooths to your phone. If you would like the complete rundown on how that works, we have an entire video on connecting it to your van. You can watch that. I will post the link below to make sure you can dive in to say, all right, that is awesome. I need to get me that. So you can outfit this however it suits you best. Now the generator on this fan, super efficient. You also have propane on board. That propane is going to take and give you all the hot water you need if you are in your kitchen or if you are in your shower, and that comes right from here. So this is going to be your Truma Combi. This is going to be your heat. This is going to be your hot water. It is super efficient. And again, runs off of propane, also runs off your gas tank. You get to choose. And in here, you get to choose what you want to do, whether it is turn on all the lights. You can set the auto gen start from here. You can put out the awning. You can check your tank levels. Rapid Cam Plus, that's what we call it, from the main screen or the mobile app. Check in on your 1930. As we work our way up, want to point out the room in here. I stand in my big old shoes, 6'1". You can see I can clearly fit still under that AC. Plenty of storage in here too. So what do you want to bring along with you? Hidden hinges in here. In this cabinet, right now, these are just the privacy shades. So if you're thinking, okay, well, you pulled the cassette shades, but what about the front? These just go into the side windows, the windshield. We even have one for the sliding door, so you get plenty of privacy in here when you are at camp. Back here, more storage. In this cabinet, we have connection for cable, Starlink prep. So if you would like to have Starlink, we are prepped for you. You have an outlet for your 110 devices, then a 12 volt USB-A and USB-C. In this cabinet, you have more storage, and you have storage right here in this super sweet pull-out countertop extension. Little storage down below there. 12 volt fridge. Again, auto gen start on here so you can keep everything inside nice and cold. Full kitchen in your 1930. Pull down sprayer, sink. Great thing about this cooktop is you can use this outside. A single electric induction burner cooktop. Use it in here, use it outside however you want, and you also have a microwave to warm up all those leftovers or just pop something in real quick so you can get out there on the trail. So as you look around, it's everything you need, including a bathroom in the back. Let's check this out. Yep, a shower curtain that goes all the way around to keep you nice and private and to keep that closet dry. So sitting on the toilet, here's what's cool about this. You can actually swivel this for the perfect seating position. Yes, this is a cassette toilet, 4.75 gallons right here. You can just pull this off and then take that with you to a dump station or dump it at an appropriate area. Other than that, for your shower and your flip down sink, 20 gallons of gray water. Will show you how to drain that, and that's really easy to do. In fact, we even include the hose right there. So whatever you need to do, your flip out sink, your shower, your medicine cabinet, light back here, a closet as well. So that's your wardrobe. Whatever you want to fit in there for your adventures, throw in there. A drawer here, you have a drawer here, and then down here, GFCI's 12 volt water pump, a light on the side, and you have a hose that plugs in there, which is really great. So if your day takes you to the beach, you can come back and then you can rinse all that sand off so it's outside and you're not bringing it into your 1930. So a super capable van inside. Lots of living space in there, a lot of fun to be had, but let's face it, you are in an adventure van. You're gonna get out and have an adventure, so let's walk around this 1930 and show you all of those exterior hot features.
Everybody has a favorite hot feature.
I don't know, this could be the most popular camper van color for 2027. On this Palladium, this is wild green. Super cool, really fits the feel of an adventure van, and yes, this is an adventure van. If you are driving and out there exploring, thinking, I'm not the type of person who goes from parking lot to parking lot. I want to get off grid. I want some terrain that's a little rougher than the pavement. We got you covered in your 1930. So check this out. We have a 3-inch lift, these great all-terrain tires that are 3 Peak Mountain Snowflake rated, these aggressive looking fender flares, so that is going to keep all of this gravel from coming up and chipping up the wild green paint. And we have Diamond Shield front paint protection as well, coupled with the rock sliders, the running boards, so really meant to do more than just camp in parking lots. As part of the upfit, these awesome amber colored marking lights, because, well, we're 8 feet wide, 8 foot 1 inch if you want to be specific, 10 foot 1 inch high. We also have this awesome Thor Motor Coach badge, so a lot of goodies for, well, really anywhere you want to take this. When you are traveling down those dark paths at night, you're going to have these bi-xenon headlights. Those are incredible, really light up the night for you. Let's walk on down, talk about some of the other features you're going to enjoy once you get to camp. Propane, you have it on board for that Truma. You're going to need it. And this is where you fill it, and you turn it on here, and then you go down here, and then you hook in a grill, a griddle. You're set up at camp now. You're cooking outside with your grill or your griddle. You have that single electric burner induction cooktop plugged in. Enjoy the time away. Let's open this door and talk about a couple of features here. So you have your door open. You also have this screen. Right now we have it rolled back so we can go in and out nice and easy. But when you're set up at camp and you don't have that AC running, you can roll this out, magnets together, and now you have nice ventilation in here. You're in, you're out, you're finally out. You got everything you need. You're set up at camp, and you throw out that Thule awning. So that will come out. 2 legs allow you to set this up at camp where you can adjust the angle to fit what you need just by adjusting the length of the leg. What a great feature to have. You can control that through the main screen or the app with Rapid Camp Plus. As we walk back here, this will be a GFCI outlet, so you can plug that cooktop into there. Cable right here, so maybe it's a TV. We'll show you where you wire into the cable on the other side at camp, but you just have that wired in, and now maybe you're just tailgating. You're streaming a show with that wine guard. Out back, 6,000-pound hitch. Camera for the backup rear view camera we'll show you as we head inside, and that takes us right over to our business end. Over here, our city water fill. This is your fresh water fill, and yes, you can lock it with the turn of a key. Exhaust for your Truma is here, heading straight down to another wonderful running board. Your termination handle, again, it's a cassette toilet, so you only have a gray tank on here. That light switch is right here. Cable right here, so if the campsite you're staying at offers cable, you would plug this in here, and then we showed you the outlet on the other side if you're tailgating. If you have your Starlink panels, there you go. That's where you're going to plug those babies in. As we work our way down, 200 watts of solar comes standard on your 1930. If you would like to add more, you can plug that in right there, and you can monitor that through the solar button on Rapid Camp Plus. Your 1930 is going to be a 30 amp coach. That is where you're going to plug in right there. As we work our way up, 31 gallons of gas. That goes right there. It's a great, easy to drive machine, and one of my favorites. Why? Because it is peppy, it's snappy, it's powerful. Let's just fire it up and talk about it. A press of the button fires up that EcoBoost V6, 310 horsepower, 400 pound-feet of torque, and an incredibly safe van to drive. So part of the Ford Co-Pilot 360, traction control, lane keeping, pre-collision assist, incredible rear view camera setup. I'm going to put it in reverse right now. Couple of ways you can set this up. You can have the lines that move with you, or you can set this up in panorama mode. You also have this little animated van over here with warnings all around you, so when you get close to something, when you are backing down a narrow path, it'll let you know if you're getting too close to the tree branch or a building, even a picnic table if you were staying at a campsite. So that's just really another nice safety feature to have. So every bell and whistle you can think of, and you can dial these in with all the settings over here to really set it up your style. Let's talk about our drive modes, something else that can fit your driving style. We have normal, eco, slippery, tow haul, and trail mode. So think about where you're going, what you're doing, put it in the mode that is going to suit you best. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless by the way, so you can take and pull up the RV specific navigation app of your choice right here on this beautiful screen. All your HVAC controls are here. We have a couple of hard buttons down here. Real easy with this one to select your drive modes. Over here, this is going to take a quick way to turn off the ding when you are parking. And that's nice to have, again, when you're in a tight spot. If you don't have that chime off, it's going to be going crazy on you. So think about that. Max defrost, hazards down here, USB-C, a 12 volt here, cup holders everywhere. We have cup holders here, cup holders on the side, a lot of places for maps and sunglasses, even a place right up here where you can put your phone, hook it into the USB-C and charge while you are on the way, or do what I do and just simply drop it into the cup holder. Over here on the steering wheel, a number of controls. We have cruise control, we have settings for your dashboard. Ford calls it My View, so you can take and display the options you want, from trip meters, maintenance reminders, what do you have playing on the radio. It's a refreshed look too. I think it looks really nice. Great job, Ford. We appreciate that. Over here, auto headlights, electronic parking brake. We also have emergency start, so you can use your house batteries to jumpstart your chassis battery in the event your chassis battery would die. You can take and adjust those heated mirrors from here. Everything you need for a great drive. Even storage up here for all those little things you need, grab and go items, I like to call them. It's everything you need for a great adventure in a small, compact size. Plus, it's twin to wall. How cool is that in a camper van? But it's not any camper van. This is the 2027 Palladium 1930. Hey, you click for the coach. Now click on that subscribe button, because I would love to take you around another RV. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.